Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Bring the thunder. Boom, boom, boom. Let's work. Boom, boom, boom. Bring the thunder. Boom, boom.
Welcome to this brief overview and tutorial on Sideline Media's new enhanced gallery experience. This new gallery platform is designed to make accessing and shopping for your photos and videos easier than ever. There are several features you can look forward to. First, all game day photos are now in one place. Now, you will be able to view the entire season's photos in one convenient gallery so you can easily access all of your favorites from the entire year. Secondly, the unified shopping cart will allow you to seamlessly shop for prints, downloads, and specialty items all in one cart. Additionally, online video delivery will allow you to access highlight and game day videos directly through your gallery. Finally, you will enjoy a streamlined, user-friendly interface that enhances your browsing experience, whether you are on desktop or mobile. To access your photo gallery, simply navigate to sidelinemedia.net. From the home page, you can click the orange View My Photos button in the center of the screen, or navigate to Photos and then Client Galleries on the top menu bar. Once you've arrived at the gallery page, simply click on the gallery you'd like to enter. You can filter the galleries by clicking on the labels across the top row. Some of the galleries you see listed are private galleries, which are designed for our portrait clients and require an invitation. However, you can still see some sneak peeks of the work by clicking on the gallery. For public galleries, such as those created for our game day photos, you will be asked to enter your name and email address the first time you enter. Be sure to enter an email address you will have access to, as this is required for saving your favorite photos and placing orders. Once inside the gallery, you will see your photos broken into several scenes. For our larger galleries, simply click the More button and select the scene you wish to view. You will automatically jump to those pictures. Click on a picture to enlarge it. Beneath the picture, you will notice several icons. The heart icon will add the picture to your favorites. If you haven't already, you will be prompted to create a password before you can save your favorite photos. You can simply use the suggested password or change it to one of your liking. The email icon allows you to share your favorite photos via email, while the Facebook icon allows you to share the photos on Facebook. Please note, photos shared in this manner will contain the watermark. Any photos that are purchased do not contain the watermark. The download icon to the right is only applicable for certain users and galleries. If you do not have download permissions, you will have the option to purchase web-sized downloads for sharing on social media. Remember, any purchased photos do not contain the watermark. All of these icons are also available from the gallery page. Before we look at purchasing your photos, you also have the option to view photos in a slideshow set to music. Simply click the play button in the upper left-hand corner when viewing single photos. You can increase the speed of the photos by clicking on double speed. Click pause to pause the slideshow. Click the X in the right-hand corner to return to the gallery view. Once you have selected your favorite photos and are ready to purchase prints, digital downloads, or other available items, click the shop label across the top menu bar to go to the gallery shop. Alternatively, hovering over the shop label will review the different categories and items that are available for purchase. Once in the shop, you will see the items available for purchase. Simply click on the category you wish to purchase. Select the product you would like and any options you desire. You can select photos from any scene or your favorites. Find the photo you want to order and drag it into the space provided. Then click Add to Cart on the right-hand side of the screen to place the item in your cart. You will have the opportunity to review and adjust the crop to your liking now, or you can review once you are ready to check out. You can then continue shopping or proceed to checkout. Thank you for taking the time to explore our enhanced gallery experience. At Sideline Media, we're committed to making every step of your journey with us seamless, enjoyable, and memorable. We believe these updates will not only simplify how you access and shop for your photos and videos, but also enhance the way you relive and share your cherished moments. As always, we're here to serve you, and we can't wait to see how this new platform makes capturing and celebrating your memories even more special. Thank you for being part of the Sideline Media family, and we look forward to continuing to capture the memories with you.